The venue which we had decided for the manifesto launch has been changed by the security apparatus in Mbarara. They have advised us, in quotes, to go to Kacheka Stadium, because they say it is large and spacious. That's what they have said, and that's where we are going.
This candidate coming is our guest, all of us. He's campaigning to be the president of this country. He's our guest. He said, can't we shift our guest to Kacheka so that we don't embarrass ourselves and the people that will come with him? The same lady has not come back and tell me where we talked about is not a good place. But for us, we have no problem. They want Kacheka, they sit there. They want their place, they sit there.
Twasaze ujiro nchigira mu Western Uganda kubanga mu Western Uganda zenganze bakodomi bange era bwe mbampa ekisubizo sisobola kwa kisubizo bakodomi bange kyalimba kyemvudde njagala okuwa ekisubizo ekyo ekya manifesto nga kisinzidde Western Uganda.